What's up, gang?
Gang.
Gang.
W's in the chat.
W's in the chat. Yeah. What's up, brother?
All right. Well, back to business. I like today. Today's the type of day I honestly enjoy because it's just like a first Green Day marathon, I think.
Yeah. Matt has some really good watches with the batteries. I think probably top battery watch ELBM, but we got some primary ELBM, GWH, AQMS already started to bounce a little bit here pre-market. But Matt brought up a great, ELBM got murdered from 9 down to 2 without a bounce. This is looking like the contender, although I don't love how much it's like getting crushed here in pre-market. I'm not going to lie to you.
Yeah, like with the first Green Days, they don't have to bounce, but they're highly likely. Like, especially when a stock like ELBM just gets murdered, right? It's only natural for it to maybe go to 3, right? Which is a 50% move, basically. So those are the trades that we're looking for on most of these here. Another one, Bryce, is BURU. Kind of made the move a little pre-market already, so but it's consolidating nice, so maybe it's got a little more.
Yeah. Yep. I like that. BURU.
It made that move on the news that they are staying listed on the NASDAQ, I think, which is hysterical. So, garbage company, for sure. S-Dot just filed an offering, I think. I just saw that. Doesn't even matter. That stock got so smoked yesterday.
Oh, yeah, they got crushed. Wow.
I think the filing's from yesterday anyways.
Yeah, it's going to be a do not look at stock.
It's only offered 100,000 shares at $5 a share. It's like nothing.
That's literally nothing. Oh my God.
That's crazy. Anyways, we'll avoid that stock here today.
Yeah.
Vivek is giving me GNPX vibes, but I bet you that is what everyone and their mom thinks here. And the second one just never works as good as the first. So GNPX obviously had a really nice run yesterday for those of you who don't know. It's already gapping up a good chunk. And I just hate stocks under $1. I hate them. So
no, I think you bring up a good point. The second one never does as good as the first one. Like because then everyone already knows what to expect.
Right.
And when that happens, it's a recipe normally for just a lot of chop or just a straight up failure. Yeah, I think top watch today I will say AQMS is interesting because like it might be a third day surge, but with all the other ones being so weak, I'm tempted to think this doesn't have a really strong breakout. I mean, it only went red one day. That's the first Green Day, yeah, but like it only had one red day in the same breath. So definitely interesting chart there.
Yeah, any other stocks that we're missing here, ladies and gentlemen? Jerry says Omer. That kind of died off yesterday, didn't it, Bryce?
Yes, it did. Let's see. Yeah, it's at 9. For me, that's an avoid.
If you like it, you could set alerts like over 11.
Yeah.
But until it gets to 11, it's pretty much a nothing burger for me. Same with GNPX, which kind of held up, went sideways. If GNPX can just like do nothing today, trade low volume, go sideways, it'll probably be my top watch tomorrow.
Yes, definitely.
So fingers crossed for that one. Jason's very slow today. I don't know, Jimmy. There's been some decent trades. I made a small trade before we went live on that WHWK.
Yeah.
Pretty standard textbook play that's been working. It's honestly been the best strategy, I think, this month, which is just breaking news stocks. So WHWK came out with a partnership with TEM, which is a big AI company. Small company partners with big company. Small company goes up. It's the tale as old as time, and it's been happening forever. And WHWK had a pretty nice move before we were live here today. I took a small piece of that.
Beautiful. That's a nice trade.
Someone says TVIX, please. TOVX, I think, is a turd. I haven't looked at the chart, but I know they did an offering this morning too.
Well, We're not looking at offering stocks.
I'll
bring it up if you want. What is it?
Oh my goodness, it's getting smoked, murdered. Abort mission. Get out of that thing.
What is it?
TOVX.
TLVX.
TOOVX.
Oh, Tovix.
Yeah.
Oh God, no! Run! Yeah, man. Offering stocks are just you can't do anything with them.
Someone says PRAX.
Oh
that
yeah,
one is our daily you touch a hot stove. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, PRAX, Matt and I were just talking about it before. Impressive. Just phase 3 data, biotech. I think it was phase 3, right?
I believe it was phase 3. I just skimmed the headline.
Let me check. Yeah, phase 3. Yeah, I mean, it's good. I've never really been good with the, I know some people specialize in biotech trading with, phase 2, phase 3 news, but I never really understood it. I mean, it feels like it's kind of already done when it's up 200%. It's a $4 billion company now, what I did hear some, trader talking about generally, I think it was like a hedge fund guy. Generally, biotechs don't even go all the way to phase 3 because they'll get bought out before that happens. Most of the time.
Common, yeah.
Right. Like that's how it normally works. So it's pretty rare when a company. That's why I don't see a lot of phase 3 news come out.
Josh says ELBM for Screen Day. Yes.
Yep.
You must have been a couple minutes late. That's cool. That's pretty much our number one watch here.
Yeah, definitely. I think the main. We're trying to dip back red again, which I don't love, to be completely honest with you. But it's got a ton of range. Look at this 9 down to $2, man. That's beautiful.
Yeah, a pop to 4 is a blip on that chart, and that's 100% move. So
I almost wouldn't mind at this point in trying to break a fake breakdown of yesterday's lows and trap some people. Oh, it's going right again, and then just start the covering frenzy. That'd be pretty cool.
Yeehaw. Yeah, and then the rest of the batteries are pretty much watches. We covered those in the beginning.
Yep.
That's the game plan, folks.
Yes, it is.
Let's nail first Green Day.
I feel like if these battery plays are going to work, it's probably going to be AQMS strength bringing the other ones up with it.
Gang.
You forgot about Bryce. Bryce? Am I missing a joke? Is this supposed to be a play on my name? Yes. Thanks, Jara.
Is it ding, ding, ding time? Oh, we still got a minute.
Yeah, we got
a little longer than I thought. I was reading a news article. SOAR had news this morning. That's right. But I think it kind of gave back most of those gains. So, yeah, it did. Now it's just a waiting game.
Yep. Beautiful.
Game time.
I see 8810371. Just picked up Trade Funder yesterday. Sweet. Good luck. Take quality trades.
Coot seed oils. Dave, do you know what day it is? That was a great question yesterday. I would not trade those today.
I am. I'm with you there.
A little time machine action here.
Here we go. Happy trading. ELBM, again, top watch here. Keep that up. Between that and AQMS, really. Get VWAP up. WHWK, yeah, under VWAP, yeah. Yeah,
I
I'm
need a
not
stronger
gonna.
coffee here today.
What's that?
So I just need a little stronger coffee here today.
I got an extra large this morning, my friend. Hoping it's strong. Yeah, I love Dunkin' Donuts coffee. There's something spiritual about it.
I like their iced coffee,
Really?
but to be honest, I feel like their hot coffee is like a little watery.
Really? See, I feel the opposite about it. I'm not a huge fan of their iced coffee. I do like the regular.
Huh.
Yeah, I know that's
I
weird.
don't have Dunkin' very often, to be honest. There's just not really
Well,
Dunkin's.
I also, yeah, I will say there's like 2 Dunkins in Austin, and honestly, I never really went to either of them. I feel like it's not the same.
Yeah, it's not.
All right, ELBM. This is kind of what I'm ideally at this point looking for. It would be a curl back through highs, basically a dip and rip at this point, a fake red to green move. We're breaking under. We broke under yesterday's low a day, just ever so slightly. I'd love to see a recovery here. AQMS pretty weak right now too. Again, that one feels like the one that in theory should probably be up. You know, the strongest, just given the daily chart. GWH trying to pop pretty aggressively, although that's not even near. That's still red 10%. Buru just chilling at VWAP. Vivek is just breaking over VWAP here.
Well, Vivek.
Stuck a Swami. We had a pretty crazy after hours move yesterday on RYOJ.
I know. I keep want to say Roy J, but it's not.
I know. I want to say the same thing. I know. I literally was like, Roy J. No, don't say it. Did you see that Josh Allen commercial during the Bills game? The Pizza Hut?
Hut?
Yeah, he's like, Hut. No, don't say it. Pizza Hut. Oh, no, stop. Don't say it. Pizza Hut. That's what I feel like with Roy J right now. Roy J, don't say it. RY. Oi, Roy J. Anyways, it went. This thing was crazy. It went from 2 to 12. Yesterday it was, which makes me a little bit curious. Is this like a sector we're gonna kind of see? Because then after hours yesterday too, we had TKLF, which was another Tokyo company. It wasn't nearly as strong, but like, is this like, I don't even know. They're just like Asian stocks. Is this going to be like a new theme? Japanese stocks? No clue. Couldn't tell you. I don't know what that was all about, but definitely have got my eye on them. Nothing really going. Whoops. We should put the chart back on. Yeah, GWH, man. These first green days, they don't want to make it easy today.
Is there anything really popping? I didn't see.
Nothing. Yeah. Literally nothing. Buru, no. Literally, I don't have a single stock that's popping right now. Vivek. Oh, Vivek's popping. Vivek.
Yeah, Vivek, I think, is the best one there.
Yeah, again, it's just like you said. It's trying to be GNPX, and I just, not to say it's gonna be. I mean, there should still be an opportunity on it. It's not like I just expected to instantly die.
But yeah, I think it's an oil company too, technically, or like the news was oil related.
Oh, interesting. This is that one, right? That's got a. Yeah, it's the one. Trading lots of volume. Did GNPX do over 1 million yesterday? 1 billion shares, I mean.
No, dude, and it's crazy because it did like 700 million in like the first hour.
It didn't do over 1 billion?
No.
Whoa, that's shocking.
Yeah, it died off.
I would have. If there was like a way to bet on that out of the gates, like the market was opening, it was already at 250 million. I definitely would have bet that it did over 1 billion yesterday. Mask popping on lower volume.
Yeah, not much popping. I'm flipping through a bunch of charts here and just kind of a snooze fest, huh?
SCNX, WHKW, WK, whatever, GWH, AQMS popping a little bit. Okay, AQMS honestly looking okay. I just don't like the fact that the rest of the metal, the battery. This is more metal. Is this a lithium play? I just don't like the fact the rest of them aren't popping at all. Like, I don't know if I want to bet on one trade in the sector while the others can't move.
Say that's fair.
But we'll see. I mean, it's technically a dip and rip right now. It just broke over intraday high a day. Pre-market highs are up at 20. So, I mean, nice pop so far.
Aquamarine.
That's what my friends call me.
Aqua Metals. I just love the name. We're not just water. Or metal.
We're metal water.
we're Aqua Metals. The best name of a company though is ETHZilla.
When I know that
was it ATNF? Awesome. I can't remember.
Yeah, it was an old ATNF. It was like 1800.
We're ETHZilla. We buy Ethereum.
Dude, aren't they a biotech?
They were.
They were. It was like 1800 Life Biosciences or something.
Yeah.
And they changed it to ETHZilla. What a move. What a monstrous move.
Someone bought 32 million shares of BURU an hour ago. I don't know if someone did. Where are you seeing that, my man, Larry? It might trade that much volume, but I don't think that was like a single stock transaction.
Yeah, how many shares is it traded today? Yeah, I don't think one person did that. I'm going to be completely honest with you.
Honestly, I'm watching BURU a little bit, though. Speaking of, like, similar vibes to Omer yesterday, where it's not a trade yet, but if it keeps holding, bounces, and breaks through 40,
I think, yeah, Buru and Vivek, I think, are two good watches here. Vivek is holding really nicely. Little consolidation overview up here. I think it's definitely worth keeping an eye on. Listen, I will say GWH broke that low day, and now we're kind of climbing back up. That's definitely an interesting one to keep an eye on, I think. PREX, I think I'm just going to get rid of, to be honest with you. AQMS trying to pop. I don't know. It's honestly trading a lot of volume and not really moving much.
That's what they say about Bryce. He's trying really hard. He's not really moving much.
Get out of town. Get out of town.
Except on the golf course. They're like, God damn, Bryce has been everywhere today. Bryce has got a view from every angle of the course.
I do too. Oh man. Yeah, I want to go play today, but I'm not really feeling great. And I don't know. We'll see.
What's your go-to course there in Cicero?
Yeah, I mean it's North
Syracuse, I guess, wherever you live.
Northern
CNS
Pines.
In my head.
Yeah, well, that's where CNS practices.
What's the name of that course? I've played there.
Northern Pines.
Northern Pines, that's right.
It's a fine little course. I paid $25 for 18.
Yeah, no, it's a steal. Yeah,
steal. Got a little hand cart. Got some walking in too. It was great.
I tried to play Timber Banks, which is, like, for reference, those listening, like the nicest course probably in the area when I was home with my parents, and it was $100 for 9 holes.
What?
I was like, screw this. I'm too cheap for that.
That's ridiculous. I could get $100 for a Mountain View course in Colorado.
That's all I'm saying, dude. I was like, yeah. I used to play there for free, though, because that's where I worked as a kid. That's
a nice course. I've never played there. I feel like I'm not good enough to play there yet.
It's hard. It's definitely a hard course. Yeah. Be prepared to lose a lot of balls.
Oh, a lot of water?
More like a lot of trees.
Oh, I do okay with trees, but dude, there is something mentally in my head when I see water I don't know. I just like I focus on it too much. I focus on
When
it.
I see water, my ball just goes there. Bryce, just imagine there's a giant pond in the middle of the fairway.
Dude, no, that literally is what. Oh, that's probably a better idea because
You're like, look at that huge pond in the middle of the fairway, and then rip it.
It's cool. I do find when I have when it's like a drivable hole, I'm fine. But when I get my irons out and there's water, dude, I don't know. I either open up the club face too much or I close it. If the water's on the left, I'm closing it a lot more. It's just crazy. I've gotten really into golf. I feel like we got to play next time you're around. I don't know. Are you still any good?
I would love to play in Colorado. I've never played like on a mountain course. It sounds sick,
dude. When you come out next, let's set something up. It's a beautiful. There's a really great one out in for those of you guys out in Colorado or who've been out there that play any golf. I really like the Keystone Golf Course. It's out near Breckenridge. Oh my gosh, it is phenomenal. I see VSEE. Listen, this is traded 800,000 shares on the day, and it is an 85-cent stock. No, not yet. Now, I'm not saying that it can't do something, but this is what we call a lottery ticket. If you buy something like this, it's just there's no is it a chat pump? There's no news on it. Oh, GWH tanked. That's a bummer. I think Buru tanked too. Vivek tanked. What in the world? What's going on?
That's what I'm saying. Is this not coming up out there, bro?
All right, we're just gonna keep talking about golf. Matt, what was your handicap when you were like playing at your best?
It was 0.
You were scratch. Wow.
My so in high school golf, we'd only play 9-hole matches because obviously you do it after school. You can't play 18. And sophomore year, my average over the whole season was 1 under par.
Wow.
For the 9 holes, yeah.
That's crazy.
I smoked everybody.
That is did you win states?
No, I didn't win states. Wow. There was a couple kids from Rochester that Rochester, New Hartford. One of them went pro and he didn't make it like super long, and then a couple went to UT Austin and played down here. How
was Johnny? You remember my friend Johnny? Was he?
Johnny was good, man. I think by senior year he might have been better because I definitely got lazy. Like I peaked sophomore year for sure.
Johnny's been doing a lot of. I don't know if he still is. He was like big on the golf TikTok trend. I used to watch him a lot. He'd be like shattering glass plates from I don't know how many yards away, but just precision. Like that'd be so cool to be that good.
Yeah, Johnny was a good guy.
I like Johnny. I wish Johnny, if you're trading stocks, say what's up. I always like Johnny. He's one of the nicest guys I knew. Man, we need something moving. What's going on?
Yeah, I'm still flipping through some charts. Tater says, "What's up, Tater? I want some tater sauce." Mira moving. I don't think Mira's really moving.
Mira, MIRA. I'll pull it up. I doubt it.
I mean, it's moved 5 cents.
Yeah, no.
it ain't really moving.
Stocks like these, I just try my best to avoid.
I was the high school golf guy. I was like maximum peak cool personality. Like everyone's like, I want to be friends with that guy because he's good at golf.
That's just what Matt thought everyone said about it.
Yeah, that was not real high school experience, but that's cool.
I feel like you probably were somewhat popular in high school. Yeah, actually, you definitely were pretty popular in high school. You definitely peaked in high school popularity-wise.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. That was because of hockey, and our hockey team was good.
That's right. Yeah, I don't know what a CNS's like sport of because like back in the day, obviously it was football. Like everyone wanted to be like the captain of varsity football. I honestly don't know in our high school like what that sport was. Like I feel like everyone kind of had their own mix. It seems like you guys were hockey though for some reason.
We weren't good at hockey like when I was a freshman, but by the time like junior year we played in the state finals. We lost. We came second in the state though. Yeah. That's
pretty badass.
Yeah.
Not in the moment though, dude. When you come second, that's just the first to lose.
Dude, it sucked. Yeah.
Yeah.
Coming second was pretty brutal.
Yeah. Like when you look back at it, it's like we were that good.
Yeah, we were pretty disgusting. No big deal.
How was CNS in comparison?
Dude, again, like when I was a freshman, CNS spanked us.
Oh, okay.
But then by the time, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if we got substantially better. We had to have, but everyone else I felt like got worse.
We must have both had pretty good baseball programs because we both had someone go pro from our baseball teams. We had Patrick Corbin.
BURU. We got something, Bryce.
Oh, okay.
The chat is on it. They're not having our commentary here.
Hey, listen, you don't have to.
They've got the stock BURU over 40. We like it.
Yeah, this is good. This is good. Good volume too. Nice little fake breakdown. This is all right. This is right now like the only trade. So, Matt, how's Vivek doing? Oh, Vivek popping back up too. Actually, all right. We got two. We got two trades.
Yeah, these sub-dollar turds.
Yeah, they are turds, but at least we got something. Oh, great. Brewer just gave back half of its.
I was just about to say that. It's just stuck in the same channel it's been stuck in since pre-market, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
literally.
Draw line of the highs there. It hasn't moved in like 3 hours.
This. Boom. Boom. There's our glass wall. You know what we should do? We should host a trade funder stocks to trade golf match. Come on, that'd be fun.
That would be fun.
That would be fun.
John, back to golf. John, how are you? How are you with golf, John? What's your go-to shot? Everyone's got like their favorite shot to hit, you know? Like what's your favorite shot, Bryce?
You know, lately, so I put a lot of work into my driver. I was slicing pretty bad, so I do love a drive now. But like, really, honestly, my 60 degree. I've gotten really good at chipping. I had a chip in birdie a couple.
That's a good skill. That's a good skill to have.
Well, yeah. Unfortunately, my putting isn't great though. So if I don't get it close to the hole, tequila's my favorite shot. That's a great answer. That's a great answer.
Hey, Jara. Jara's wild every day.
I know, Jara. You always make me smile at the very least. What was your favorite shot, Monaco?
John shot 79 last week. That's hella respectable. Yeah.
I just broke 100. I thought I was becoming the man. That's crazy. 79. Beautiful.
My favorite shot is probably just a driver. I hit a huge, like a, not a huge, but like I hit this like bomb, just perfect draw. And there's nothing better than it. But honestly, at the same time, like having a wedge in your hand and putting it to like 3 feet from like 100 yards out feels like hella good too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. How far could you drive?
I was pretty standard, like 290, 300.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know if it was Northern Pines or not, but like a couple of the high school courses you'd play were just like, you know, super crappy.
Yeah.
So like they'd get so dried out. And like, I mean, I've hit drives like over 400 because like you hit it and it's just like basically on concrete and just rolling.
Yeah. I was having I had the opposite problem the other day. It just rained all day Monday. And like I hit this beautiful drive and I'm like, it literally didn't move after it hit
just
the ground.
Stuck. Nice. Yeah. Love it.
Well, Vivek dumped. Oh, VSCE. I'm not going to lie. I made fun of it earlier. That held up pretty well.
It's held up better than most, dude. I'll tell you what.
Yeah, it had that little fake breakdown there. And unfortunately, the problem that I have with this stock right now, although the range is nuts, I just looked at the range, is it's trading so much volume. And it's not having like a blow-off type of move, but that's also because it went from 87 cents to 98 cents in one candle. So that would make sense. Just every candle's had that much range. We're near that dollar level. I don't hate them, don't love them. It's just like when they're right at that dollar range, I feel like they get kind of choppy. Yeah, Buru, that kind of sucked. WHWK, I'm literally just getting rid of that off the screen. ELBM, man, dude, this is going to be a nice first green day at some point. I just think today is not that point.
I guess not, dude.
Which makes me curious. AQMS is holding up pretty dang well. for not really for the rest of the sector just dying. GWH down 20%, ELBM down 15%, AQMS still up 20% on 25% on the day. Is this going to try to do something special, or is this just kind of like about to die off? I'm curious to see.
You talked about ELWS. That one's just halted. It's kind of a shithead, but
ELWS.
Yeah.
I don't think I've talked about that one. Oh, Matt, why would you show me this?
Why not, Bryce?
He
Why
traded
not?
32,000 shares. This is
It's halted, bro. It's halted.
Dude, it didn't even pop up my scanner.
It can't trade because it's halted. It's going up so fast.
For once, I have volume requirements. I used to be a degenerate. That used to be something that was on my alley, but I'm trying to stay smart. Oh man. Nothing new popping up either. What's Lobo? Is that an F? Oh, pre-market move this morning. Oh, that's looks like crap. Yeah, no, I was about to give it the benefit of the doubt. I feel like we're just kind of
water, as the kids
I feel like we're just in this like, how do you say it? Kind of midterm right now in the market. We're like, we just came off of some really hot sectors and they kind of faded off. And we're just like kind of waiting and seeing what the next, if there's going to be a next hot sector, if those sectors are going to like lead to other sectors that are related in the space. That kind of became clear with the seed oil thing, right? Like when the seed oil sector popped off, it was kind of towards the end of that battery lithium sector. Hardly know her. And it was just like, okay, that sector is clearly losing some steam. People are looking for the next thing. And then the seed oil lasted for all of a day. But
humbug.
I will say AQMS holding up pretty well.
Honestly, the best runner is VSCE, and like there's just no trade on that for me.
No, me either. There's no real consolidation. It just, and the problem, right here we have this kind of just fake breakdown, straight to a fake breakout, dips back down, now it's breaking out again. It's hard to get any real conviction on it. But I will say I'm sorry to whoever I made fun of for bringing up VSCE. Oh, okay. Well, Tony is ready to go downstairs, I guess.
That's why we call him Big Rig.
That is why we call him the Big Rig. He's controlling the sideways.
VSCE.
Ooh, man, oh man. VC, IVC. That sounds like it should be a ticker.
Shot clock.
Shot clock. Are we halting? Nope. AQMS popping. All right. Well, our top two contenders right now, I think, are AQMS and VC. ELBM. Unfortunately, I got to get rid of this. GWH coming back from the dead.
Don't sleep on our batteries. They're going to give us some life here.
Listen, at this rate, I'm inclined to agree. What's our high here on AQMS? Roughly 1950. GWH, I like that a lot. I'm not going to lie to you. I like how that looks. Just the fake breakdown. I just wish it wasn't so red on the day.
Look at my ELWS. I didn't buy it. I would never buy this thing. I'm just making fun because Bryce was making fun.
It's traded 400,000 shares today.
He's a hater.
400,000.
Don't hate me because he ain't me.
Dog water. AQMS, man,
He's just peanut butter and jealous.
That was something.
Quantum's acting like it's ready to die off. Yeah, that's how the whole market kind of feels, right? IONQ, man, skin smacked. Yeah, Rigetti, smacked pretty good. Look, these things have had V recoveries every single day, though. Like, look at that chart. Like, literally yesterday, perfect V. Yeah. So I ain't messing with those things, but yeah.
Nor am I. But I mean, no doubt, impressive. No doubt, impressive run. And I mean, at some point they probably will die, but I think if for people who are like looking to short these just feel like the ones where like you don't. It pays not to be the first person, like not to be short from the highest average, but to wait for the most confirmation, because they're just so extended that there's so much backside when it happens. There's going to be a lot of room for downside. So I don't need to be the first. Vivek is done. Buru looks kind of done. I'm telling you, I feel like AQMS wants to bring up the entire battery sector with it.
Does it?
Dude, look at this thing. It's a nice.
Yeah, AQMS looks pretty strong actually through those highs. You're right.
Yeah, like I think if anything, this is, and it had that little fake breakdown right there too. Which makes me wonder: is the best trade AQMS or is it like GWH? I said that, and then GWH just dropped like 20 cents a share. AQMS high day break.
You know what's actually a good trade? Not usually my MVTS first red day. I haven't taken it, haven't really considered it, but it's pretty nice, man.
Oh, that is a very nice look. Yeah. It had that big wick there. I mean,
big wick, failure. It's basically, I can't chase it. You got to risk like $1 a share at this point, man. But yeah, maybe it sets up later. Is there any news on VC?
I didn't see any.
Company reported earnings.
Oh.
But I believe it was yesterday. Yeah, it looks like they reported them yesterday and then let's like re-put it out.
Interesting. ELWS should be on halting here in just a moment. Or is it a double? It's a double. They double halted us.
I think Jar wrote this one for you, Bryce.
What do we got? Hold on. I've only got one screen here today. AQMS for sure.
Bryce likes that. You know, it's okay. We all have our things. That's Bryce's.
Hey, listen. We've all got our vices.
That's all I'm saying. How would I play AQMS? At this point, look, this is going to be not my favorite trade. A little tough, but not bad. You buy through those highs. You just got to risk.
Basically $2 a share.
Yeah, I wouldn't risk that much. I'd risk $1 a share, and I know my win rate's not going to be as good doing that. But
yeah,
I need, like, if this goes, it should just go. Like, it shouldn't pull back $1 a share after it breaks those highs. So, bit of an arbitrary risk on that one.
Well, what would be ideal here, right, is we just kind of broke high a day. I would love to see a quick dip down like 1850 and then just swipe, because now you've got a really clear risk level. And it just kind of trapped some people. That would be, I think, my ideal way to play that.
SGD announces private placement. Is that doing anything to the stock? Not really.
All right. See, this is exactly now. If we could just or not.
MBTS red.
Wow. Oh my lord.
I guess I should have just chased it, man. Like, no bounce.
I chased a little bit. You gotta have fun. I mean, girls just want to have fun, you know?
That's what they say.
The one I would not chase for sure is Quantum. That's the one that scares the crap out of me, chasing lows.
What day did Jara forget a comma? Was that a day I was here?
Forget a comma?
Yeah, Flash's comment. I mean, Jara has funny comments pretty much every day, so.
Oh, I know. I don't remember. I have no idea.
Michael says, I'm in an inner circle.
Oh, hell yeah. I'm
curious what you're going to be teaching in Miami.
Matt's going to be teaching how to be popular in high school. All you got to do is play hockey and golf.
It's going to be called Push Buttons, Get Paid /Laid.
All right. And guys, we were going to be talking about Trade Funder, but unfortunately we have to leave early. That was the dumbest thing I've ever heard. End stream now. Oh my God. Matt, make that a shirt and then hand it out to your inner circle students.
I'll have to come up with a funny design. So like paid and laid. Like it looks like the same word, depending how you look at it. So then that way traders would see paid, but average people would think I just like am saying laid.
Yeah, I mean you could you could push buttons technically works for both, I suppose. You could find a way to.
Yeah, depending on what you're into.
Well, I'm apparently into daddy. So.
I actually haven't planned much. I've got some ideas, but Michael, I'm just gonna keep you on the edge of your seats for the next 3 weeks until we figure it out.
AKA Matt has no plan. He's gonna use the next 3 weeks to make a plan. I'm kidding.
Paul says, I got Trade Funder. I can't download anything or make it work. Paul, reach out to support, bro. All right. Trade Funder, support at tradefunder.com, whatever it is. Just go to their website. They've got like a little chat window. So sorry to hear you're having some issues, but this should be a super easy fix. So yeah, just reach out to them and they'll happy to help.
Listen, before we go too far, oh my gosh, is NVTS getting murdered?
That's what I'm saying, dude. I should just chased it and never looked back.
I just chased NVTX instead.
NVTX?
Yeah.
Is that the inverse?
Yeah, dude, 2x.
Or is that a 2x leverage?
It's a 2x lever, yeah.
Holy, what a move. Jesus.
Dude, I took it at 150. I thought
what a move over the last 3 days. That is unbelievable. Dude,
right? It went 50 to 200.
That is crazy.
Yes, it is. AQMS, I'm liking this through highs. This I think this is a nice trade through highs here. GWH too, man. I would not be sleeping on this one. I like that a lot. Anyways.
Someone says AUUD is their play there. I don't think so. Like if you zoom in, that chart doesn't look bad. I agree. But you got to remember to zoom out a little bit. Take a step back. I think it's just too beaten down off the highs.
Pardon me. Looked like we had a couple inner circle people here too.
Jar says, what happened to Steven Johnson?
Dude, I think he's living, man. I think he's living life.
Yeah, he moved to Brazil, I think, and is just living.
I think he's got a lady down there. I think he's just been traveling. I think he still trades. I think he's been chilling.
For that person, who was it? Who was having the issue? Paul. A couple good comments in the chat as well. Jason says just use the web version. I agree. I like the web version. And Crystal says, yeah, the sport's pretty good.
Yeah, sport's great. They're really responsive. I'm getting ready for a quick trade on AQMS. I'm not going to lie to you.
Yeah, AQMS. Let's focus on that one. I agree.
That was exactly what I was looking for. Dipped a little bit more than I was hoping, but I mean, this is the area here. I think that 1950 area is going to be very key here. And I'm just looking for a buy through 1950, basically risking $1 a share.
See VC, Bryce? Slapped all the way back. Round tripper.
Whoa, round tripped. Wow. I mean, can't say I'm surprised, but come on, AQMS. See, this is what I don't love about it, though, Matt. I feel like it should just be going. Like, this I don't love, to be completely honest with you. This type of action. Yeah. See, I think that was a fake. This is why we're patient, though, folks.
You're a fake.
You're a fake. You're a deep fake.
This WHWK is curling back. And I just like that one because it's got good news.
Oh, my God. AQMS got smoked, dude. Whoa.
Well, that's not good for the battery sector.
Oh, I honestly thought it went 16. I thought it was a low enough, but still, that did get just crushed. Oh my God, Matt, should we? That was the trade for me, and it never set up. So I'm at this point just riding my YOLO NVTX. Want to talk some trade funder here?
You know what? You start it. Give me 30 seconds and I'll come in. But I'll share my screen if you want.
Yeah, Matt's trying to go get laid. That's all he needs for 30 seconds for.
That's a good day. All right. I will be back. Bryce, what is Trade Funder? Why are we here? Why should people care?
Ladies and gents, well, Matt's gone for just a second. You guys know the drill. By the way, drop a like on the stream here. If you're watching, drop a thumbs up, drop a like, show some love. We're this is, by the way, again, I'm going to say this day in and day out. We stay patient, AQMS in particular here. I was really waiting for that 1950 break so that it wouldn't get faked out. And not every day is going to offer an A+ trade. And that's one of the beautiful things about, well, having something like Trade Funder. Trade Funder, for those of you guys that don't know, is a fully funded trading account. It's going to get you access to capital, $25,000 in particular, so that you can freely trade as much as you want, whenever you want, between 4 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern time. So it's for day trading. And also really cool is that you get access to $100,000, in margin. So it's 4x margin. That doesn't mean you just slap like $100,000 worth of a position into any random stock. They do make you split it up between different trades, $25,000 max per trade. But for those of you guys, that have been trading with, excuse me, I drank my coffee too fast. I've been trading with like a $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 account, and you know that you're going through some problems because, number one, of course, you can't freely trade. And number two, when you do take good trades, you make 10, 20, 30%. You're talking about like $200, $300, $400 worth of gains. This is going to be that solution for those of you guys who are in those boats. Matt and I have been there ourselves, and I'll tell you, it sucks. I remember when we were in college, we were trying to learn how to trade, and we just had really small accounts. And and then you'll be taking a trade and we'd get really stoked that, we made 20%, but then all of a sudden you look and it's like, great, I made $250, then get it back just as quick. Because we weren't coming to streams like these. We weren't learning the way that you guys are able to. So this is really the best of both worlds. Trade Funder is partnered with Stocks to Trade, which Matt and I are a part of because, well, Stocks to Trade has been providing world-class trading education for traders like yourselves now for well over a decade. We've got a great community of traders. A lot of our traders are absolutely crushing it in this market. Matt and I are both, millionaire traders ourselves, and we've been helping other traders just doing stuff like this. This is why, when there's not a trade, you'll hear me and Matt just kind of shooting the shit a little bit, just having some fun, because we would rather do that than be focused on bad trades. And so, these are kind of lessons that we want to help you guys with. And this is why we do this in partnership with Trade Funder, so that if there are good trades out there, we're going to help you put your eyes on them and show you the strategies that we're trading. And when there aren't, we're going to take our foot off the gas a little bit. And we get asked all the time, if I get access to Trade Funder, do I have to trade every day? Because Trade Funder makes money when you make money. There's a profit split. They're partnered with T3, one of the biggest prop firms out there. The answer is quite simple. You do not have to trade every day. You can trade as much or as little as you want. Trade Funder would rather have you taking good trades than taking bad trades just for the sake of trading. And hopefully that's the way you would view it too. Particularly, they've got one of the best profit splits in the industry when it comes to prop firms. Most of them are like 60-40 or 70-30, where you keep 60% or 70%. With Trade Funder, it's an 80-20 profit split. So if you make 10 grand, you're going to be able to keep $8,000 of it, which is really a phenomenal deal. It's something I would have taken hands down, bar none, when I first got started trading, but it just didn't exist. Matt and I had to just try to grow our accounts or work tirelessly, kind of at our other jobs to save up some money to put right into the market. And it was just a grind. Now, for the first time, you guys don't need to do that. So that link that has just been dropped in the chat is going to bring you over to Trade Funder's website. And I haven't even gotten to the best part yet.
I got to interrupt. Moment of truth is when these two traders make real money. How much money do you want me to make today, out and about? Pick a number. Pick a number right now. I bet you.
Yeah, you just got Matt fired up, man.
I bet you I made more money today than any number that you just said. I guarantee it. Trading stocks. I go show you. I'll screenshot my brokerage account because I don't want to share my trader number. I'm fired up.
Yeah, Matt, get this guy fired up.
I'm fired up. Screenshot right now. All right. Share. This is one of my accounts today. I don't know if this is going to show up well because I just took a screenshot. Can I zoom in? There we go. One of my accounts, I'm up 13,000 today. Okay. The other one, yes, I'm only up $915. Boo-hoo. Cry me a river. Yeah, Daddy's mad, says Jara. Damn straight Daddy's mad, Jara. I'm fired up.
Guys.
Out and about adventures, got lost in the wilderness and can't figure it out. Okay? So that's all I got to say. Now Bryce can go back to his normal routine here. Wait, wrong screen.
There's a reason that when Matt and I have other things to do, we don't show up. When I was out in Europe, I wasn't here. I was out living my best life, out about and adventuring, if you will. But when we want to have fun and just trade stocks and get to talk with you guys, this is so much fun. So, yeah, Matt, I'm glad you just got fired up, man.
I got fired up. Frick this guy. I can't say my swear words, but
frick this guy.
He says, relax. You started it, my dog. Look, I'll be your best friend. If you can't give it, you can't take it. That's all I have to say. But carry on. That's why we're here.
Listen,
I'm not here because I have to be here. I have fun with Bryce. I hope you guys learn something, and I hope Trade Funder helps somebody at the end of the day. That's all I'm here for.
Listen, we would not be here if this wasn't a sweet deal. If this was not something I would personally use, I wouldn't be here with you. But this is something I do use, and I think it's a phenomenal deal because I wish I had access to it when I first got started trading. And what I was about to say, right.
Jara's fired up. I'm going to put Jara in. Jara, let's go.
This is great. Man, Matt's been. I feel like Matt just has this side of him where he's just ready to go at all times.
You just gotta open the door.
Yeah.
Don't put baby in a corner.
What I was gonna say right before Matt just went on a frenzy there and flexing a 15 grand day, which by the way is like kind of a small day for Monaco. So
depends on the month.
It depends on the month. It depends.
I will say on this note, October is very challenging. I'm doing okay, but it is very challenging. There's a lot of weird action. Obviously, the government shut down. There's interest rate cuts and talks. There's tariff headlines. There's been great trades, but it has definitely been a challenging month.
Yes. Agreed. Not every single day is green for both of us. I had my first red day of the month yesterday. But like there are opportunities out there, and being able to trade with Trade Funder, it's a really sweet deal. And better yet, you guys can get access to Trade Funder for $600 off of what you'd pay on their website. Normally, it's $1,400 plus a $99 platform fee for access to that $25,000 account. With our discount link through Stocks to Trade here, that's going to be brought down to $800 plus a $99 platform fee. So I would listen. If I were just getting started or if I were starting over again, I wish I had access to a deal like this. I really do. But I didn't, and you guys do. So I'd highly encourage you to at least click the link and see if it's for you. I'm certainly not going to sit here. If you've got 100 grand and you're comfortable trading your own money and you're comfortable risking your own money and this isn't something you want to do, don't do it. You don't need to. But I would highly encourage you to at least click the link and see if it's a solution that could help you in your trading. And we're here every day helping you guys out to find the best trades so that when you go out and get access to that Trade Funder account, you're not just like a deer in the headlights. You're not just lost in the wilderness. We're here with you every step of the way. You guys can see what we're trading, especially when we got a high conviction setup. AQMS was going to be that one for me, and it wasn't, so I didn't take it. And we kind of talked through that live here on stream. But anyways, guys, Matt, you got anything else you want to add there besides
Allen Adventures. I don't hate you, let me be clear. I don't know if it's a guy or a girl, but it says, do you want to mentor me? Show up every day. We're here every day. I know Bryce was traveling last week. I was out, blah, blah, blah. We try to be here every day, and that is a great place to be. Check out Stocks Trade's YouTube. Great place to be. A lot of great content. If you want, go over there and explore Stocks Trade's paid education programs where you sign up, you invest in yourself. They're fantastic too. And obviously you get a little more hands-on. So all of those things are incredible. To be honest, that is where I got started 7-8 years ago. Right. Yep. So that's why I'm still here, because obviously it still helps and hopefully I can give back a little bit. So go do that. And everything Bryce said about Trade Funder, I'm just going to add my 2 cents. Bryce said it a little bit, but at the end of the day, this did not exist for me. It did not exist for Bryce. And it worked out in the end, but it was a pain in the ass, right? You dealt with a small account. You couldn't grow very quickly. It was just a grind. And yes, you do learn some stuff through that grind. In the same breath, though, man, it would have just been so much better just to be a real trader. And when I say real trader, just be able to buy and sell every day, which with a small account you can't do. So go over there, click that link. You get a full account. Nothing's perfect, as we've said. Trading takes time. Got to study. Got to show up. But that definitely makes your journey just a little bit easier. And I do have a Trade Funder account. I don't trade in it every single day, but when there's a great setup, I'm going to take it. What's Flash's comment say?
These trading sessions with Matt and Bryce are worth the Trade Funder purchase itself. These guys will teach you how to be profitable and navigate these markets. I agree. Listen, we're here apparently not every day, according to Lily. Listen, I'm just not gonna.
Lily, don't let me out of the cage again, Lily. I'm gonna get fired up. I'm gonna go spider monkey on your ass.
Go a little.
Where's Lily? I don't even see Lily's comment.
Right here.
Every day? God damn it, Lily. For free? Why don't I show up every day? Holy shit. I do the best I can. I'm only human.
Listen,
I apologize.
yeah.
I'll do better for you, Lily.
To be completely honest with you, you're right. It's not every single day. Like I said, when I'm out and about.
Jara, go spider monkey on her ass.
Unleash the Jara.
We need that sound. Yeah, absolutely.
That would actually be really funny. Oh man. No.
Lily shows up every day. Lily, I love that for you. I show up and I trade every day. I promise you that. So keep doing that. Sounds like you're doing a good thing. I
know.
Keep showing up every day. You're doing more than most people.
It's all in good fun. We're here as much as we can be. We try to be every single day. But we want to help you guys out. We want to get you guys access to really great solutions, whether that's us just showing you kind of what we're trading and you're just hanging out here with us, or whether that's you guys getting access to Trade Funder and really starting to be able to see some great results. But anyways, guys,
I'm going to get fired up again. It's not free. I'm sorry. Did you pay money to be here? To show up? Where'd you pay money to watch me? God damn it. I need to renegotiate a deal. I didn't know you guys were paying to be here. I thought this thing was free.
I'm gonna go make another coffee. This is great, dude. I don't even know if I need another coffee. Oh my god.
I like aggressive Matt.
I feel like FA2FO just wanted to say that just to get Matt fired up.
I think so.
Oh man.
Anyways, I need to go take like some blood pressure medicine or something. I'm fired up.
This is fun.
Oh man, I need the juice. All right, I'm leaving. Bryce can sign off.
Guys, we had fun today. We'll be back here tomorrow. Matt literally left. Guys, Matt just has a little bit of a short fuse. I think he didn't get enough sleep, you know? I'm kidding, of course. We had fun. This was a good time. Wick Tickler said Matt should jump up and take his shirt off. Oh my god. No, guys. Well, at the very least, you know how to get Matt fired up if you guys ever want to have some fun. You know what to type in the comments. But appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys back here tomorrow. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Your homework is to click on that link in the chat. I'll drop it one more time for you. Should also be in the description if you are on Facebook or YouTube. That'll bring you over to that Trade Funder website with our discounted link. So it'll be $600 off of Trade Funder. Click that link, see if it's for you. That's your homework as always. Guys, we'll be back here tomorrow. Peace out. I hope you're having a great Thursday.